Is it time to buy or sell the SOXL ETF? In this video, we will delve into the details of SOXL. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 16th of August, 2024, and now we are here to offer you a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to keep up with our latest analyses. You certainly do not want to overlook any critical updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by exploring our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 16th of August, 2024, our system has identified SOXL as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -2.24. Now let's review the stock's performance during this time frame. We will keep a close watch on this evaluation to observe how it develops in the upcoming days. The exchange-traded fund is currently positioned within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating a likelihood of further decreases within this trend. The existing 3-month trend points to a potential decline of approximately 24.29% over the next 3 months, with expected returns ranging from a decrease of 54.20% to an increase of 14.79%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a significant change of 108.87% over the next year, with potential returns between 43.40% and 282.40%. In terms of price, this translates to a range between $56.97 and $151.93 after a year. Our latest daily update for SOXL includes the headline, SOXL ETF downgraded from hold accumulate to sell candidate after Friday trading session. The price of the SOXL ETF decreased by nearly 0.5% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 16th of August, 2024, moving from $39.92 to $39.73. During that day, the ETF experienced fluctuations of 5.67%, ranging from a low of $38.07 to a high of $40.23. Over the past 2 weeks, the price has shown a significant increase of 35.41%. Notably, the trading volume also declined on the last day, which is generally a positive sign, as trading volume typically aligns with the ETF's movement. On that day, the trading volume dropped by 24 million shares, totaling 81 million shares traded, valued at approximately $3.23 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF reached $70.08, while the lowest was $14.01. Currently, the price stands at 43.31%, or $30.35, below the 52-week high, and 89.5%, or $338.51, below the all-time high, which occurred on the 26th of November, 2020, when the price peaked at $378.24. The semiconductor sector continues to draw significant attention, particularly for investors eyeing leveraged exchange-traded funds like SOXL. Recent discussions highlight a notable downturn, with SOXL experiencing a decline of approximately 52% since mid-June, following a previous surge. This dramatic fluctuation illustrates the inherent risks within leveraged exchange-traded funds, which can magnify short-term market movements. The ongoing correction in technology and artificial intelligence stocks, including major players like NVIDIA, suggests a challenging landscape ahead. Despite this backdrop, there remains optimism about potential rebounds in semiconductor stocks as the demand for artificial intelligence technologies grows. Analysts believe that if semiconductor prices stabilize and trend positively, SOXL could leverage its 3x factor advantage in the near term. However, the recent volatility related to the yen carry trade has created further uncertainty, making SOXL a strong sell at present. In the short term, heightened volatility can lead to additional selling pressure on SOXL as investors reassess their risk exposure. Conversely, in the long term, if semiconductor stocks recover and capitalize on the artificial intelligence narrative, SOXL may present lucrative opportunities for those willing to embrace higher risks. Overall, while the near-term outlook appears strained, the evolving technology landscape may eventually catalyze a turnaround for the semiconductor sector and related exchange-traded funds. The following signals have been identified for SOXL. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, known as MACD. Some negative signals were also issued, which may influence the near short-term development. The SOXL ETF currently holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. However, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. As the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average, this results in a general sell signal for the ETF, suggesting a more negative outlook for the stock. Should there be further gains, the ETF will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $46.68. Conversely, if the ETF declines, it will find support from the short-term average at $34.82. A breakout above the long-term average would trigger another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average would introduce another sell signal, reinforcing the overall negative trend. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Thursday, the 15th of August, 2024, and up to this point, the ETF has decreased by nearly 0.5%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Notably, volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which lowers the overall risk as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 87 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 7 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 24 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 21 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 19 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 9 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Let's discuss the support, risk, and stop loss for SOXL. On the downside, this exchange-traded fund finds support just below today's level, with accumulated volume at $35 and $34.96. There is an inherent risk when an ETF is testing a support level. If this level is broken, the ETF may then decline to the next support level. In this instance, SOXL has support just below today's level at $35. Should this level give way, the next support from accumulated volume will be found at $34.96, followed by $31.46. This ETF tends to experience significant movement during the day, indicating high volatility. With a notably large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is classified as having very high risk. Over the past day, the ETF fluctuated by $2.16, which represents a change of 5.67%. In the last week, the ETF exhibited an average daily volatility of 8.69%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SOXL. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SOXL is at $39.78. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SOXL encounters its first support level at $35. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. We have received a negative evaluation for this exchange-traded fund, and there is currently no stop loss in place. Is the SOXL ETF a good investment choice? The SOXL ETF shows several negative indicators, leading us to believe it will continue to perform poorly in the upcoming days or weeks. Consequently, we have a negative outlook on this ETF. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have revised our recommendation for this ETF from a hold or accumulate to a sell. After assessing the volatility and trading movements from the last day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 19th of August, we anticipate that SOXL will open lower, approximately 38 cents down, starting at $39.34. We would like to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment decisions should not solely rely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and a wonderful day, with best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.